Making money on YouTube is possible without making your own videos. In this video, we'll discuss ways that you can make money on YouTube without creating your own content through podcast, compilations, and outsourcing. Hey there, and if you're new, welcome to our channel, where we help you learn to see the income-generating opportunities right in front of you. Number 1, podcasts. In recent years, YouTube has become a popular platform for podcasting. Unlike traditional radio shows or podcasts, which require the host to be on camera, YouTube allows creators to post audio files and accompanying images or videos. As a result, YouTube has become a popular way for people to listen to podcasts without seeing the host. In addition, YouTube offers a variety of features that make it an attractive option for podcast creators. For example, YouTube allows users to embed their podcasts on their website and blog easily and provides tools for managing subscriptions and tracking listener statistics. Given the ease of use and popularity of YouTube, it's no wonder that many people are using it to listen to their favorite podcast. If you want to help a future business owner just like you find this video, make sure to like and subscribe to help out. Their success just may be in your hands. Number 2, gaming channel. Gamers worldwide are posting videos of themselves playing video games on YouTube and providing either entertaining or informative commentary. YouTube has become a popular destination for gamers to share their gaming experiences with others. Some of the most popular YouTube gamers have amassed a large following of fans who enjoy watching them play video games and provide commentary on the games. YouTube provides a platform for gamers to connect with each other and share the love of gaming. Gaming videos on YouTube have become increasingly popular, and it is now one of the most popular genres on the site. The best part is, you don't have to make the videos. Instead, you can post gameplay footage that you have recorded and added your own commentary to. Number 3, pet videos. People love watching YouTube videos of cute animals, and that's not likely to change anytime soon. This means that YouTube pet videos are a great way to make money. You don't even need to make the videos yourself. Simply curating and sharing existing videos can be a great way to cash in on this popular trend. Of course, if you have a cute pet of your own, you may be able to make some extra cash by filming and sharing your own videos. Either way, there's big money to be made in the world of YouTube pet videos. Number 4, screen sharing. Screen sharing is a handy tool for sharing your screen with others. This can be especially useful with teaching people how to do something, such as using a particular software program. With screen sharing, you can provide step-by-step instructions without needing to be in front of the camera. This can make learning more efficient and effectively and less intimidating for more people. Plus, it's a great way to share your knowledge with the world without having to put yourself on its display. One of the better software tools to use is OBS. Number 5, animation. Many YouTube channels rely on animated videos. These videos are often around a minute or two long, and they help to engage viewers and help them come back for more. By using animation, YouTube channels can tell stories and convey messages in a creative and entertaining way. Additionally, animation videos are often highly shareable, which helps to increase the reach of the channel. For these reasons, animation is a popular choice for YouTube content creators. Several YouTube channels rely almost entirely on animation videos. The videos don't have to be long, around a minute or two is plenty long enough. They're a great idea if you're artistic, but you could also use many different animation tools if you need some creative assistance. Number 6, stock footage. Making money from YouTube doesn't have to be complicated. You can make money without even creating a video yourself. How? By using stock footage. Many websites sell stock footage, and you can buy the rights to use this footage in your own videos. Then simply upload videos to YouTube and monetize them with ads. You'll earn money every time someone watches one of your videos. And best of all, you didn't even have to create the video yourself. So if you're looking for an easy way to make money from YouTube, consider using stock footage with Pictory.ai. Number 7, compilations. Compilation videos can be risky because you're using other people's content without their permission. That can lead to copyright issues. But if you're careful about getting permission from the copyright holders or using only content in the public domain or Creative Commons license, then you can avoid those problems. And if your compilation video is successful, it can be a great way to promote your brand or website. Just be sure to credit the original creators of the content you use and don't use anyone's content without their permission. Number 8, use freelancers. These days, everyone is a content creator. With the rise of platforms like YouTube and Instagram, anyone can be a video star. But being a successful content creator takes more than just hitting record and posting. It takes planning, editing, and most importantly, time. That's where freelancers come in. By working with a freelancer to create scripts and videos, you can save yourself hours of work. And because freelancers are often experts in their field, you can be confident that your videos will be high quality and engaging. So if you're looking for a way to take your content creation to the next level, consider working with a freelancer. With their help, you can focus on what you do best and leave the rest to them. You can find freelancers on sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Number 9, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting someone else's product in your video and receiving a commission whenever someone buys that product through your affiliate link. To do this, you first need to find products that are available for affiliate marketing. There are high-ticket items and low-ticket items available for promotion. For example, you could promote an expensive camera or a cheap book on Amazon. The key is to find products that your audience will be interested in and that you can promote confidently. Just be sure to find a product related to your niche. Number 10, ad revenue. Ad revenue from YouTube is another great way to make money without making videos. You can do this by creating a channel and then allowing YouTube to run ads on your channel. You will earn money every time someone watches one of the ads. The amount of money you can make will depend on how many views your channel gets and how many people click on the ads. Ad revenue is generally a slow and steady income, but it can be a great way to make money without having to create videos. Let's face it, working a regular job can be a pain. You have to wake up early, commute to work, and sit in a cubicle for about 8 to 9 hours a day. And don't even get me started on the boss. But what if there was a way to make money without all of the hassle? That's where YouTube comes in. Creating and posting videos online allows you to generate income without even having to leave your house. No more waking up early for work, no more dealing with traffic, and no more working for a boss you can't stand. With YouTube, you can make money on your own terms. Click the affiliate link for Matt Parr's 2 Mastering Monetization in the description below if you want to learn a proven way to make money on YouTube. Make sure you've hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on how to find the right brokerage firm.